Hello, my name is Mackenzie and I work here at MCR Medical. Today I'm going to be unboxing the K400M-CA CPR Training Kit. This kit includes 4 adult PRESTAN CPR mannequins with feedback plus 50 adult lung bags, 4 PRESTAN AED Ultra Trainers in a nylon carry case, 1 MCR Medical Carry-All Large Wheeled CPR Mannequin Bag, 4 Mani vests, and 4 MCR Medical CPR kneeling mats. This particular kit is sold in medium skin tone and diversity packs. So, what's in the box? I wanted to highlight a few things about the PRESTAN Professional Adult Manikins that are included in this kit, but for more helpful information, please feel free to check out the videos I have linked below. These mannequins include the rate monitor feature, making them fully compliant with current American Heart Association guidelines. These mannequins come with a 3-year factory warranty against defects in workmanship, which is taken care of here at MCR Medical. Each mannequin requires 2 AA batteries, which are not included. We also wanted to highlight a few features of the 4 PRESTAN AED Ultra Trainers that are included in this kit, but for more helpful information, please feel free to check out the videos I have linked below. Each AED trainer comes with its own zippered, heavy gauge fabric nylon carry case with a handle, and you'll also receive a larger carrying case to hold all 4 trainers. Each unit requires 3 C batteries, which are not included. The AED trainers also come with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty against defects in workmanship. Please note that these AED trainers are for training purposes only and cannot be used for patient defibrillation. The MCR Medical Carry-All Large Wheeled CPR Mannequin Trolley Bag provides users with the convenience of moving all of your training supplies in one sleek, professional-looking bag. The Carry-All Large bag is manufactured with durable, water-resistant fabric and has a large front pocket for storage of smaller items. The Carry-All Large Wheeled bag holds 4 PRESTAN Professional Adult Manikins with their heads attached. This kit also includes some MCR medical accessories that are sure to enhance your CPR training classes. You will receive 4 Mani vests, which will help keep your mannequins clean and looking stylish, and provides a lifelike training scenario for students as they have to practice removing clothing before applying AED pads. Last, but certainly not least, are the MCR Medical CPR kneeling mats. The CPR kneeling mats have a large surface which will help to reduce knee pain, lower back stress, and reluctance on the student's part to practice CPR in a kneeling position. Now you know what to expect when you receive your CPR training kit. For more quality CPR training products and accessories, please feel free to visit the MCR Medical storefront. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.